cop your 26 King Wavy merch, link is down in the description below. Click the link, it's gonna take you over to the website. Use discount code 360juice26 to get 26% off your brushes and do-rags. And for your hair care products, use discount code 360juice2020 to get 10% off. Stay wavy, Juice Mafia. God bless.
I've been on the flex since flex on. Neighborhood all in your eardrums. I ain't never scared like Bone Crush. Boy, I got God, don't fear none.
What's up, everybody? 360 Juice here, back with another video for you guys. And today we're gonna talk about your kids' 360 Wave starter kit, and we are starting right now.
Damn, sick of me rapping. They know that I'm never lacking. You ain't never gotta ask me. I'ma do what I gotta do for the fam. I'ma make it happen. Was on the way out, but I'm backing. Need a new bank account with the cash in it.
Alright, you guys, welcome back. First, I want to say a big thank you for clicking on this video. I appreciate you. If you are new to the channel, please do subscribe and please leave a like so we can help out the algorithm. Now, I know this video is for kids, but parents, this is for you even more. Your kids don't got money to buy these products, so parents, I think you're gonna have to get your kids some hair care products so that they could be the coolest kids in the school with 360 waves, 720 waves, 180 waves, no matter what kind of waves it is. It could be a swirl, whatever. They'll be the coolest kid in the school. All the kids gonna be like, yo, how you do that? Tell them 360 Juice taught you. But yeah, guys, let's get right into this video. So, kids, right? I'm talking to the kid now. After your parents get you these products that you're gonna need to get 360 waves, I'm gonna get to them in a second. I know y'all can see the shampoo back there, but I'm gonna get to that in a second. Alright, I'm gonna try to help you guys out by leaving the links to these products in the description below. I'm trying my best to help you guys out to get these products so that you can be spinning. No matter how old you are, you can be 4 spinning. Alright, 4 and up. 3, 2, it don't matter how old you are, man. You're gonna be spinning, alright? Watch this video and take notes. If you're watching this, take out your notebook and take notes, alright? Take notes, I'm watching you. Alright, so we're about to get started with the products. Kids, before we start, get your parents, tell them to come sit next to you. Come here, Dad, come here, Mom. Sit next to me and watch 360 Juice. Tell us what products we need to get 360 waves. You know, I need you here because I need you to buy them for me, you feel me? I need you to buy them. You know, I'm broke. I ain't got no money, you feel me? I mean, if you 4 years old and you making money, hey man, I want to be like you. First product on the list that you're gonna need for your kids' 360 waves are brushes. You're gonna need four varieties of brushes.
1, 2, 3, 4.
And they all do different things for your kids' hair. First brush, you're gonna need a medium brush. Medium brush by 26 King Wavy. You can find this at 26kingwavymerch.com. It's a white medium brush and it doesn't hurt, okay? Your kid's hair could be low and they could still use this, but I wouldn't advise them to use it as an everyday use because I don't want them to hurt their scalp. And also, guys, I have a discount code for all these brushes that I'm going to be showing you. So discount code for the 26 King Wavy medium brush will be 360 Juice 26 parents. You get 26% off at checkout. Second brush you're gonna need is this little circular brush right here, kids. This looks like a what does this look like? This looks like the I don't know. Kids, y'all drop down in the comments. Let me know what this look like, man. I really don't know. Like it just looks cool. But this is for your crown. All right, when you get 360 waves, you need a crown. Your crown is where you start, where your waves start, where your hair start naturally, and you just take your crown and you start brushing from there, and your waves will come out looking amazing. You can get this crown brush at 360merch.com. I'm gonna have the link down in the description for you guys. Use discount code 360juice to get 10% off this brush, parents. This brush is only like $9. If you use my discount code 360juice, you get 10% off. Next brush on the list is a soft brush by 26 King Wavy. This is a super duper soft brush. I love this brush. I brush my beard with this brush. I brush my scalp with this brush. I say scalp because sometimes I go to like a 1.5 when I cut my hair, and that's super low. And this brush does not hurt my scalp whatsoever. So this brush will be really good for your kid's scalp. It won't really damage their scalp, and it actually lays your hair down pretty good. Use the discount code 360juice26 to get 26% off this soft brush. Now I believe this soft brush has been discontinued by 26 King Wavy. This was the original brush, and he has different soft brushes now. So this one you might not find it, but you will find other soft brushes, parents. Now this last brush right here, guys, guess what type of brush it's gonna be? You think it's gonna be a hard brush? Think it's gonna be a curved brush? Think it's gonna be a super soft brush? Nope, none of that, okay? If you say hard brush, you are wrong, okay? We're gonna need a detangling shower brush. This brush right here you use when you are washing your hair. If you have 360 waves, you do not wash your hair like everybody else. You have to do something called the wash and style. If you guys do not know how to do a wash and style or what a wash and style is, it's just a way that us wavers wash our hair without losing any progress. I have a couple of videos on washing styles. Just go check out my page and click on one of those videos and you'll become a pro at washing your 360 waves. This brush comes in real handy when it comes to washing your hair. Sadly, I do not have a discount code for these, but I'll definitely have the link down in the description below to where you can get a detangling shower brush, and you can also get this at your local beauty supply store. Alright you guys, that is it for the brushes. Now let's bring it back. Next thing you're gonna need, kids, parents, is your mirror. Alright, you got two varieties of mirrors. This is a big mirror, which is heavier. You guys see yourself? You can see yourself? This is a heavier mirror. If you're on a budget, this mirror, it's a little high in price, probably in like the $12 range. And this mirror right here is probably like in the $4 or $5 range, probably even $6. But I would definitely recommend this small mirror right here for your kids because it's not as heavy, and there's a cool little handle right here that you can hold so the mirror won't fall. But this mirror right here is a little bit more dangerous, okay kids? So when you use this mirror right here, you gotta be really, really careful, and it's a little bit heavier. The greatest benefit with this mirror is that it's so big that you can see your whole head. But this one, you can barely see anything. Like, come on, man. But yeah, guys, get a mirror. Next thing on the list, guess. Guess what it is? Y'all guess yet? You think you got it? If you said do-rag, you are 100% correct. You definitely need a do-rag for your 360 waves. Now this do-rag right here, what it does is it lays down your hair when you go to sleep. Parents, please do not let your kids go to sleep without a do-rag. And kids, please do not go to sleep without your do-rag because you will definitely lose progress. And you know, we don't like losing progress. We want to keep elevating until we become elite, until we become flawless, you feel me? So yeah, kids, don't go to sleep without your do-rag. You can get this do-rag at 26kingwavymerch.com. Use my discount code 360juice26 to get 26% off. You feel me? I got you, man. You don't gotta pay full price for none of this stuff, you feel me? 26 King Wavy. Use my discount code to get 26% off. Alright guys, so the last thing on this list, okay, your kids 360 waves starter kit. You will need products, hair products, moisturizers, butters, oils, shampoos, this and that and this and that, okay? You may look all over the internet to look for the right products for your kids' hair, but I will be the one to tell you that the best products out on the market right now are by 26 King Wavy. I've been using 26 King Wavy products for about a year now, and I'm telling you, these products are amazing. So we got the butter moisturizer right here. I had this since last November, and it's almost done, okay? Almost done. So I'm about to re-up in a few more weeks, in a couple more weeks. But this butter moisturizer is a duo of butter and moisturizer. It's in the name, man. It's a butter and a moisturizer. So you don't have to buy a moisturizer and you don't have to buy a butter. It's all in one. Next, you got the 26 King Wavy pomade. This junk adds shine to your hair like crazy, and it smells delicious. Kids, do not eat this. I repeat, do not eat this, even though it smells delicious. This one right here, the moisturizer, smells like strawberry air freshener, and the pomade smells like cherries. Bro. Hey man, next thing you're gonna need black castor oil. Sadly, I don't have a discount code. I'm sorry, parents. But yeah, I don't have a discount code for this, but you could definitely get this at a beauty supply store or online on Amazon, you know, Walmart. Walmart, you feel me? It's only $6. You feel me? I don't know if y'all can see, but it's only $6, guys. Yeah, it's faded out, but it's $6.99, man. $7. Okay, I lied. It's $7. But yeah, this castor oil is great for thickening your kid's hair and helping it grow properly. This castor oil is very thick. It's not a light oil, so don't put too much in your hair. There's coconut oil in it. It's not the original, so it's not gonna stink, but it has a great smell to it. Last on the product list, you will need a shampoo. Shampoo by 26 King Wavy. All his products smell amazing, man. This smell like mango. Alright, this is mango infused shampoo, okay? Now guys, all three of these products, I do have a discount code for you, but it's a different discount code. For the products, it's 360 Juice 2020. Sadly, you don't get 26% off, you get 10% off, okay? But these products are totally 100% worth it, alright? And they will treat your kids' hair and scalp right. Alright kids, now that you know what products you need to get, you can tell your parents to get out the room, alright? You can leave dad, you can leave mom. I'ma just watch 360 Juice by myself now, because now you've seen all the products, you can just buy it for me, you feel me? Alright, man.